Hello, this is an instructional video on how to use the two items you will need to charge for the Shop Purple on-site event stores. The first thing that you're going to be receiving in this box right here, this is a Verizon unit primarily used to create a wireless hotspot, which is going to give this device right here internet. The only thing that you're going to need to do once you take it out of the box is on the side it has an on button. You're just going to go ahead and slide that to the right. It's going to take a couple seconds and you're going to see the screen turn on. It's going to go through a series of steps. You're going to see it, eventually get to the main screen, which I'm going to show you right now. This device is already pre-charged. You're also going to receive a charger with it. That way you can go ahead and plug it in the event that the battery is drained. This is the charger that comes with it. Once it's fully charged, this has 6 hours worth of battery. Once you see the screen get to this point right here, you're just going to hit OK. And then you're going to see that screen turn on. The first section right here, it tells you the signal, the strength of the signal. This section right here tells you how many devices are connected to the hotspot. And that's primarily the two things that you're going to need to focus on, as well as the battery life right here. Once this is turned on, you're going to go ahead and then get this device, which is the main one that's going to be used to charge all the items. This is what it looks like. The way you turn this one on is on the top. It has the button. You're just going to click that on. It's already going to be charged as well. This one also is going to come with its own individual charger. That's the main thing. You want to make sure that these devices are fully charged. We are definitely going to make sure that they're charged, but in the shipping process they might lose some battery power. This one you're going to go ahead and slide it to the right. They're already going to be configured automatically. As soon as you turn this one on, this one's already going to be connected to the internet. What I'm going to show you how to do is, just in case they're not, how to go ahead and connect them to the internet. Right here in the settings section, you're going to click that. Then you're going to see Wi-Fi.
Yeah, dude, so at least
You're going to click on that. Then you're going to see Verizon 890. That's this device right here. So you're going to click on that. So now what it just did is that it connected this to the internet. Then once you turn this on, you're going to see that now it says 1 on the item right here. That just indicates that the device has successfully connected to it. In the event that you're having trouble connecting to it, on the information that you receive, it's going to have the number on there for you to give us a call. We'll definitely walk you through it and help you out with that. Once this is turned on, you can just leave it on your event table on the side. You're really not going to need to do anything with it. The only time you're going to go back to it is if you're having trouble, difficulty connecting to the internet. And the back as well, as you can see right here, you're going to see that it has the passwords when you're connecting it to the internet. You're really not going to need that because we've already taken care of it for you. But in the event that it's not properly connecting and it asks you for a password, this is the one that you're going to need. Once you're ready to go ahead and charge, you're just going to hit this button right here, slide to the right, and the main icon that you're going to be looking for is this one right here. This is the icon that's going to take you to be able to actually scan and charge merchandise. Once it's turned on, it's going to actually ask you for the password. You're going to type in PanCan, hit OK. Now you're ready to start charging. Every item is going to have a barcode on it. We went ahead and attached one on this particular box just to give you an example. This one right here says adult wristband, pack of 5. So once you're ready to charge, you're going to hit sales receipt. It's letting you know that it's ready to scan. On the side it has this button right here. That one actually is the one that turns on the scanning light. And that noise right here just lets you know that I went ahead and scanned that wristband. If that's the only item people are going to be purchasing, right here you're just going to hit the checkout button. It says, do you wish to add more products? In the event, you know, somebody changed their mind and they want to add more stuff, you can go ahead and yes, and then it'll allow you to add more items. If you're ready to check out, you can hit no. It gives you an option to enter in the customer's email address. Depending on how busy it is, you know, since this transaction is going to show up on their credit card for the customer, they're going to know what it's for. So you can just hit OK, so you don't have to worry about typing in, you know, their email address to send them a receipt. Depending on what kind of card they have, let's say if it's a Visa for this example, you hit Visa, and it's ready to charge. It shows you the dollar amount right there. On the side, it has a little area where you can slide in the credit card, and it'll automatically read that information. So once you're ready to charge that card, hit the process button. And then it's ready. All the customer has to do is sign right there, hit accept, and it'll let you know right there. Credit card was charged successfully. It gives you the amount, the transaction ID. Hit OK, and you're ready to charge more customers. If that customer comes and they want to return their item, all you're going to do is pretty much do the same steps as sales receipt, but you're just going to hit the return button right here. You're just going to scan the item that they wish to return. And that light, you see that light? That's the actual light of the scanner. So that noise you just heard is that I was able to successfully scan it. It's going to say return on the screen. It's going to give you the total dollar amount. You're going to hit checkout. And it says, do you want to add more products? Yes or no? I'm going to hit no. Same thing. In case you want to email them the return confirmation. If not, it's going to show on their credit card statement that amount was successfully refunded to them. Hit OK. Then it says, are they just returning the item, or are they returning the item and are you giving them a refund? So if you're going to be giving them a refund, you can go ahead and click yes, make a refund. Select their credit card type, Visa. Go ahead and on the side right here, you see that little slit. You're just going to slip it in, slide it, hit process, and then you can have them signed, confirm that they're getting their refund. Hit accept, and it'll give you the message right here. Credit card was refunded successfully. Then you can hit OK. Then depending on how you move the device, the screen's going to rotate around. Ideally, you're going to want to carry it like this. Makes it a lot easier to hold onto it. This device is also set up to scan fairly quickly. So if you go to sales receipt, if somebody wants to purchase 10 of the same items, you don't have to worry about scanning at once and adding 10. As you see that, it scans fairly quickly. So it's going to give you, it's going to let you know exactly what you're scanning, the total amount right there. If you've scanned, you want to cancel this. On the upper left hand side, you'll see the cancel button. You can go ahead and hit that. And that's mainly the main features that you're really going to need to do. Once you're done charging at the end of the day, all you're going to need to do is on the bottom, you'll see sync button right there. Let me zoom in a little bit closer. You're just going to hit that. All that's doing is all the transactions that you're done, it's going to sync it with our system. So you're going to hit send. It's giving you the status. That's finished. You're going to hit receive. That's finished. And that's it. That's what you're going to be doing at the end of the event. If you need to turn the device on, off, hit it right here. If you need to turn it on, click it right here. If you need to unlock it, slide it to the right. Once again, the password PANCAN. And if you accidentally type it wrong like I just did, you can just start all over again. And you're ready to go. The E right here, it's called the E-Mobile POS. That's the actual icon that you need to hit to turn on. If you don't find it, just you can try sliding between the screens, left to right, until you see it. And that's how it is. Once again, turn it off, go to the main screen. And if you have any questions while you're on site at the event, or also once you receive this, our 800 number is going to be on there, or actually just our technical number is going to be on there for you to call. You're going to have this a few days ahead of time for you to get familiar with it, do some tests, give us a call. We'll definitely walk you through it. Just to briefly recap, you're going to have 2 devices. This one right here, all it's doing is giving that device internet. So this one is very user friendly. As you can see, the screen, you don't see anything just because it's been idle, it's been inactive. It is currently still on. As you can see, let me zoom in, it's slid to the right. If you just want to check the status, you just hit OK. It'll say click OK to unlock. So it'll show you the signal strength right here. It'll show you that the device is connected, which is right here. And then once you're done with your event, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide this off. This is very important because what this is doing is that this is creating the wireless signal, so it's sending that information over. So you just turn it off. That's it. You're just gonna put it back in the original packaging that you received it. This one you can just turn off right here. If you're still in the application and you just finished your event, just log back in, type in PanCan. Got the wrong password. Okay. Once you're done, the only thing you need to do, like we talked about, is hit the sync button right there. It'll show you the pending transaction. Since we already just recently did it, all these are gonna say 0. If they say 1, 5, however many numbers, you can just hit send. It'll say sending, finish, receive. All it's doing is that it's updating it. In the event that we make any changes to any of the items, everything's automatically updated, so you don't have to worry about making any changes on your end. Once you're done, all you really need to do is just turn it off, package everything together. Everything's gonna have its own packaging, its prepaid labels, and then you can go ahead and send it back to us. And also, if you have any questions, you're gonna be able to give us a call and we'll walk you through it. Thank you.